I'm Michael Jenkins and I coordinate Face2Face on a weekly basis, but I'm also the acting teacher here. Face2Face has been open for nearly 2 years now and we've gone from strength to strength. We have over 40 students and practitioners, professional teachers from all kind of walks of life. We offer 2 workshops a year in addition to our normal Face2Face Academy, one in the Easter and one in the summer, and those have proven really successful. They managed to get lots of different students from the community and the wider community into Moreton Hall and into Face2Face's Academy. This week we have a 3-day workshop. The first day we have a professional makeup artist, Michael Perks, who's worked as a makeup artist on productions like Wicked, Gogglebox and London Fashion Week, and he's taken our students through a really fun workshop on stage makeup, which includes like lacerations, so the students are really having fun with that. That tied in with some physical theatre, it shows the students really how to build a character using not only acting but makeup, which is, you know, it's a really cool thing for the students to get involved in. On our second day we have a screen actress, Rebecca Eastham, joining the Academy. She'll be teaching students how to act for screen, which obviously is very different to stage. Her credits are fantastic. She's worked on Emmerdale, so she's bringing really fresh understanding of the industry to our students here at Face2Face. And our final day we have a professional dancer coming in to visit the students. Her name is Laya Navis. She's a world champion dancer and she kind of shot to fame in Dance Mums with Jennifer Ellison. I teach Laya at a drama school and I've roped her in to come to coach our students here at Face2Face. She's immensely talented and there's no one like her, so the students are going to really enjoy being taught by her and meeting a star of Dance Mums. All you've got to do is email face2face@moretonhall.com or visit our website, or if you're really keen, just turn up on a Friday. Our sessions are hosted at the Musgrave Centre at Moreton Hall from 6 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. and we are always welcoming visitors and would love to see some new fresh talent from the community.